2024 Moto Guzzi California Touring. In the world of motorcycles, few names evoke a sense of timeless elegance and adventure quite like Moto Guzzi. For decades, the Italian manufacturer has been synonymous with craftsmanship, innovation, and an unwavering passion for the open road. As we peer into the future, one model stands out as a testament to Moto Guzzi's commitment to excellence: the 2024 Moto Guzzi California Touring. The California Touring has long been a beloved member of the Moto Guzzi family, embodying the essence of long-distance cruising and touring. With the 2024 iteration, the brand continues to honor its heritage while embracing modern advancements that elevate the riding experience to new heights. Engine type: transversely mounted V-twin. Displacement: around 1,400 cubic centimeters. Cooling: combination of air and liquid cooling. Power output: estimated around 90 to 100 horsepower. Torque: expected to be around 100 Newton meters or higher. Fuel system: electronic fuel injection. Chassis, frame: tubular steel frame. Suspension: front telescopic forks. Rear adjustable monoshock brakes. Dual front and single rear disc brakes, possibly with ABS. Wheelbase: approximately 66 inches, 1,675 millimeters. Technology: display: full-color TFT display with customizable information. Riding modes: multiple riding modes, including touring, sport, and possibly a customizable mode. Connectivity: Bluetooth connectivity for smartphone integration and navigation. Rider aids: features like adaptive cruise control, traction control, cornering ABS. Comfort and ergonomics: seating: adjustable rider seat for personalized comfort. Handlebars: ergonomically designed handlebars for comfortable riding posture. Wind protection: integrated fairing for improved wind protection. Luggage: saddlebags and top case for ample storage capacity. Other features: lighting: LED lighting system for enhanced visibility. Exhaust: dual exhaust system with a distinctive Moto Guzzi sound. Colors: a range of classic and contemporary color options. Weight: expected to be around 700 to 800 pounds, 320 to 360 kilograms, depending on the model and features. At first glance, the 2024 Moto Guzzi California Touring pays homage to its predecessors with its iconic, imposing presence. The unmistakable transversely mounted V-twin engine remains at the heart of the design, showcasing the brand's engineering prowess while adding a touch of nostalgia. However, it's not just about looking back. The California Touring incorporates sleek lines, refined curves, and a meticulously designed fairing that doesn't just reduce wind resistance but also exudes a contemporary allure. Underneath the elegant exterior lies a powerhouse of performance. The 2024 California Touring boasts a revamped V-twin engine that blends the traditional air-cooled setup with advanced liquid cooling technology. This not only enhances overall performance but also ensures optimal engine temperature during those long highway stretches. Riders can expect a healthy dose of torque and horsepower, offering effortless acceleration and the ability to conquer inclines with ease. Moto Guzzi understands that modern touring is as much about the journey as it is about the destination. With this in mind, the 2024 California Touring integrates cutting-edge technology seamlessly into its design. An intuitive and fully customizable digital dashboard provides riders with crucial information at a glance, including navigation, riding modes, weather updates, and more. Advanced rider assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, traction control, and cornering ABS enhance safety and confidence, especially on diverse road conditions. Long hours on the road demand comfort, and the 2024 California Touring delivers in spades. An adjustable rider seat and ergonomic handlebars ensure that riders of all sizes find their ideal riding position. The plush seating, combined with a state-of-the-art suspension system, effortlessly absorbs road imperfections, translating to a smooth and fatigue-free ride, even on extended journeys. Touring isn't just about performance, it's about capacity as well. The California Touring offers ample luggage space, ensuring that riders can carry everything they need for their adventure. Saddlebags with easy-to-use latches and a top case provide enough room for essentials without compromising the motorcycle's aesthetics. The 2024 Moto Guzzi California Touring embodies the brand's legacy while embracing the future. It marries classic design elements with modern technology and performance, creating a motorcycle that's not just a means of transportation, but a companion for extraordinary journeys. As the open road beckons, the California Touring stands ready to answer the call, promising riders an experience that's as thrilling as it is comfortable, a true testament to Moto Guzzi's enduring commitment to excellence.